Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. Before we start this video, take a look at these clips on the screen. That's right. This is actual operation of how people modify or reprint the battery QR code in real life. The market have changed a lot recently. The price of lithium-ion battery, especially for the lithium iron phosphate battery cell, has risen by 50% from 2025 to 2026. Due to such big price swings, the bad practice of the reprint the grade B battery into the grade A cell by changing the QR code has become prevalent again in this industry. A lot of people have been asking me how to distinguish the original QR codes from the modified or reprint fake ones. So in today's video, I will show you guys the complete operation tutorials step by step. First of all, take a battery cell. The battery cell in your hand. You can see this one is the brand new grade A, the battery cell from the EVE, the MB31. And now, if you have the battery cell in your hand, peel off the black cover pad, then check the area around the QR code, Check the area around the QR code. If there are polishing marks around it, like this way, it is the modified or reprint QR code 100% definitely. And here I will peel off this battery cell for you guys' reference. This is the new battery cell. We will peel off the pad of the original grade A cell for you guys' reference. And you can see it is okay. 可以了，就这样。So you can see here, this one, the QR code around here, it is with the glue, chases the glue. It is no polished. This one is the real brand new grade A cell. So if you compare the reprint QR code like this way, it is the difference is here. There is no polishing mark at all. This is the original factory state. However, scammers are undergrading their modifying technology these days. If you can't find any flaws around the QR code with the first method, here is the second solutions. That is to scan the QR. And get the serious number. Then ask your supplier for the official testing report of the batch of battery cells. Let me clarify, that is all brand new grade A battery cell from different manufacturers like the CATL, EVE, IEPT, Lithium, those brands. If it is the real brand new grade A cell, they will have the testing report. Just search the serious number on the report. If it can't find the cell is fake and modified. And I have to emphasize that reprint QR code and change the QR code is illegal in China. Back to 2025, 2 criminals engaged in this business and were arrested by the police in Dongguan city. and they are still surviving their sentences in the prison to these days. Even with the legal risks, countless people still rush into the gray industry simply because of the huge profits behind it. If you guys know that for the grade B with the grade A price, there have very big difference between it. Some guys will use the grade B to change the QR code and not sell as much as the grade A. Only, for example, for the EV 314 ampere hour, they can sell as 50 USD dollar. And now you guys know the price already to 60 or 70 USD dollar per piece. They can sell 50 USD dollar in more cheaper price and will sell very fast. So for EV's stock, they also sold like this way. I actually planned to make this video a long time ago, but I talked with my purchase manager and also with my boss. Both of them opposite with this idea. They told me that to stick our own principles and mind our own business. The reason behind it, that is, they don't want to offend other peers in this industry. If I expose this insider secret publicly, our company will become the target of all these people. But I convented with my boss and my colleague, that is, because we have so many followers and they keep asking me, how to distinguish, how to know the difference between the real A grade and fake grade. So I think this is the responsibility for us. And finally, I decided to stand up and tell everyone the truth. This is the responsibility of the content creator. The truth deserves to be known by everyone. And if you want to buy the lithium battery from China market, no matter for your solar energy storage or for your electric vehicle, you can contact with StarMax freely. We will tell you guys what is the grade, what is the real situation of the battery cell, what is advantage and what is the disadvantage, to tell you guys the real information in the market. The business between StarMax and the customer, between Xinhong and the customer, is transparent. The decision is made by customer. If it is the B grade, we will tell you guys it is the B grade. And how is the price? How is the situation? How is the warranty? We will tell you guys the real information about it. And then decision is made by you. There is no any hidden information between us. If you want to know more details about the lithium iron phosphate battery cell or the solar energy storage battery pack or the battery module for electric vehicle or the upgrade battery cell for your outlined PHEV, contact with us freely. And this is Sanya. See you in this video. Bye bye.